Okay, online education is a form of education that takes place over internet and it is also called as e-learning or online learning. And dear Arpita, let me know from you that what is your feeling about online classes?
To understand the assignment and if you sorry very hard for me to understand the assignment and if you are doing correctly or not, that you can't face to a teacher face to face and you are not able to face your teacher face to face.
Oh dear Arpita, which are the common problems you face during online classes?
The common problems I face during online classes are network issue is a main problem and health issues like headaches and eyesight problems. And what is your opinion about online learning, Supriti?
Online learning is the education to take over the internet. It is the improve our communication skill and also improve our the environment and that's enough. And
Is dear Supriti, did you know is online class good or bad?
yes, Nishna, online class is good, but sometimes it is bad because it is affect our eyes. And in this pandemic period, we take it in online.
You are correct, Supriti.
And do you know me that what are the preventing the tips for online cheating?
Yes, I know. Parents should be very clear about the questions and they should have the proof that their students do not have copies or notes with them during the exam. And the teachers have to mix objective questions with subjective questions and also put a time and set a timer according to the questions.
Oh dear Nishna, sorry for interfering. So my question is that is online learning future of education?
Be honestly, online learning is not the future of education because in the next generation, if online education will be happen, so the child's face eye problems from childhood. So did you know what are the advantages of online classes?
Yes, the advantages of the online classes are the flexibility in time and management and independence at the work and and the follow up and self assessment.
Yes, dear Soumya, you are absolutely correct. And excuse me, can you tell me that does online learning help the student?
Yes, the online class helps the student a lot because it is a highly effective it is highly effective in the career advancement and by increasing the employability of the many students and making the faculty members to be uh, work better in the digital age. So may argue in this point that this is better than the online learning, better than the classroom based learning.
Yes, you are absolutely correct.
So my question for you, Adesha, is that why is online class difficult?
Yes, online class is difficult because of a poor network connectivity and the non-ability of such device like smartphone, phones, laptop, computers, etc.
Oh dear Adasha, which device do you use in your online class?
Basically, I use my smartphone in my online classes. And you?
Yes, I also use online classes for smartphone.
And dear Supriti, can you tell me that how much time will you spend in your online classes?
I spend 5 to 6 hours for the online classes.
So, dear Supriti, can you tell me that what are the tips to reduce the eye strains?
Oh, students use the laptop, computer, tablet for online classes. So it is a very large screen. It is reducing our eye strain and also the brightness of this brightness of this device, it is very high, eye strain for our education.
Okay, that's good.
Sorry, Soumya, for interfering. So, my question is that do you know what are the key benefits of online classes?
Yes, I know the key benefits of online classes are that it create an refined critical thinking skill and also develop the technical skills. Technical skills in any device, and it also improves the virtual communication and collaborations with other, and it also adds the flexibility and self-paced learning.
Dear Arpita, did you know is online class cost saving or not?
Yes, it is absolutely cost saving because I use only a notebook and a pen and a smartphone for taking the online classes since it is very cost saving.
You are absolutely correct, Arpita.
Do you know, Nishna, that what is the importance of online education?
Yes, I know. The online education gives us free cost, and it also gives us many communication skills. We can learn many things from the online, and during the class we also can do something else. If we can take class in any place in and anywhere, we also can take class with the online in smartphones.
Yes, dear Nishna, you are absolutely correct. Excuse me, dear Arpita, can you tell me that impact of online education on your health?
Impact of online education on my health is reduce eye strain with headaches and are attributed to prolonged screen time. And do you know, Adesha, that why online classes are good for students?
At last, I am telling about the online classes. Online classes are good for students because of a cost saving and manage and independence at your work. But online class easier to students to procrastinate the time and to decrease the face-to-face communication skills.
Oh dear Soumya, do you know that what are the impact of COVID-19 on our education?
Yes, I know. So most of the government of the countries has declared to temporarily close the educational institutions in order to reduce the effect of COVID-19. Hence, 825 million plus learners are affected due to the school closures in this pandemic.
Overall, both are positive and negative effect of online classes. Like that, we all are discuss about our topic like that advantages of online education. At the last, I am telling that online learning is the new and growing of exciting way that where we study almost anything else. And as we all supposed to wait all that this bacteria means this COVID-19 bacteria will go to our country. That's why we will fulfill our all wishes. Thanks to all. Bye.